Good afternoon. Welcome to the forecast discussion for March 17th, 2014. It's currently 2:16 p.m. We have high pressure slowly building in after our snowstorm has left the region. New York City had basically a trace of snow, if that. Philadelphia around 3 inches. The big jackpot, surprisingly, to me at least, is southern New Jersey. National Weather Service did an excellent job. I did not. Where snowfall amounts exceeded 6 inches over portions of over southern New Jersey, basically from Central Ocean County on south through Cape May. They ranged anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of snow. Very impressive snowfall over those regions where we had snowfall rates early this morning of 1 to 2 inches per hour. So that certainly produced a very impressive snow gradient of a trace in Monmouth County to over 6 inches over Central Ocean County. That's pretty impressive for this time of year. Currently, we have skies slowly clearing with a northerly wind. Temperatures aren't going to be moving all that much for the rest of the afternoon. And for tonight, skies will clear out with a wind from the northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour and temperatures falling into the lower to mid-20s. So it's going to remain another very cold weather pattern in place for the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Remember, our low temperature should be around 36 this time of year, not 22. So let's take a look at the latest radar, and you can see our storm here exiting out into the region. Now, you're probably keeping an eye on this, but this is going to move straight due east into the Atlantic and will not impact the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area at all. It will remain out in the Atlantic with high pressure taking control for tonight on through tomorrow, leading to clearing skies. And then we have another cold front waiting in the wings out here for Wednesday that is actually kicking this disturbance out into the Atlantic. And we see that very nicely on the infrared satellite picture. You could see this disturbance is on the way. It's going to kick this disturbance out into the Atlantic. This is our weather for tomorrow with scattered cloud cover on through at least Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday afternoon, this cold front moves through with a few scattered showers and an introduction of a Pacific air mass, which is actually going to end up being warmer than the air mass ahead of us. So it's almost like a large warm front, basically pushing all that Pacific air into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, which means that we're finally going to warm up back to normal. It's going to feel like above normal temperatures, but that's our big warm up, back up to normal, and then we fall back to below normal by the time we enter next week. So unfortunately, this roller coaster ride of temperatures will continue, with temperatures possibly pushing over 60 degrees on Saturday before falling off once again. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website using the GFS model guidance this afternoon. You can see high pressure taking control. This disturbance is kicking this disturbance out to the Atlantic, keeping that progressive pattern in place. High pressure takes hold. Skies clear, humidity falls, temperatures fall into the lower to mid-20s for tonight. For tomorrow, high pressure in control with scattered cloud cover. Temperatures rebound into the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior, lower to mid-40s along the coast. On Wednesday, well, skies starting to have increasing clouds by the mid-morning hours, with scattered showers by the time we get into Wednesday afternoon. Looking for temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s for lows and mid to upper 40s for highs. On Thursday, that cold front will exit the region. High pressure will be in control. This high pressure system, and this is basically associated with the Pacific air mass. And you can see that zonal flow set up over the nation. And that's going to lead to very pleasant weather conditions on Thursday with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for lows and lower to mid 50s for highs, a few upper 50s over southern New Jersey. On Friday, high pressure remains in control with scattered cloud cover. Temperatures continue to warm up nicely in the mid-30s for lows, mid-50s for highs. On Saturday, we're going to be ahead of a cold front, so look for increasing clouds on Saturday with showers by evening. Ahead of the cold front, temperatures will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows, upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, and lower to mid-60s along the coast. So it's going to be a very nice day on Saturday. Once again, almost like a repeat from what we saw this weekend. The cold front moves through, a few scattered showers in the overnight hours. By Sunday morning, you're looking at a low of mid to upper 30s on Sunday morning and mid to upper 40s for highs on Sunday afternoon. High pressure will be in control on Monday with scattered cloud cover, but chilly. Temperatures will range from the mid-20s for lows and upper 30s to lower 40s for highs. Remember, again, we should be in the mid-50s for this time of year. So we're going to remain in this battle between near normal conditions and below normal conditions, and that's probably going to continue all the way on into April. Well, that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.